Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to learn about OneDrive. OneDrive is a online cloud storage device so that anything that you put onto it can be accessed from any computer in the district. And you need to be able to use this because sometimes our computers go down, and if you need to switch computers because one's decided it's going to act a little bit crazy and not log in or not operate, you can find your work. It's also going to be super useful so that if when you're working on an assignment and someone else is also working on a similar assignment, you aren't overwriting your work. Plus, the amount of storage that you get on your OneDrive is way more. So we're going to first go here and we're going to look for OneDrive, O-N-E, OneDrive at, and it's going to ask you to sign in. Sign in is easy. It's your email address at kdstudents.kdisd.org. Mine's is there, and you sign in, and you're going to sign in. So here's the deal. Every time you log into your computer, sign in. Sign in. Make sure there's a little blue cloud right here that says sign in. Click through here. Use this folder. Make sure it's here and sign in. Sign in. Every day you need to sign in. It's available next and later. Open my OneDrive folder. And now here's my OneDrive folder. What you're going to do for your assignment today, for your OneDrive assignment, you are going to log in to your computer and you are going to sign into your OneDrive. And then you're going to go to Windows, you're going to go to Setting, and this Windows settings window's gonna pop up right here in your system, and you're going to go and I want to be about, and this is the device name. So I want you to take a screenshot like we did yesterday. We're gonna go to our snipping tool, snipping, and new. I want you to snip this device specifications, and I want you to save it onto your OneDrive. Your OneDrive. This is the OneDrive you want to save it onto. There's going to be two OneDrive folders. One that's going to be, say, KD Independent School District, and one that's just going to say OneDrive. This is a temporary OneDrive. This will get deleted at the end of every day, every time the computer restarts. This is your permanent OneDrive. This will be yours. I want you to save it onto your OneDrive, and you're going to name it OneDrive Practice 1. Save it. And then you're going to log out of this computer, the computer you're currently on, log on to a different computer, take another snip of the about of the second computer. So this is your assignment. You're going to do a snipping tool on two different computers. So when I have your assignment submitted to me, I should see two different T numbers up here, not the same T number. If you submit me to the same T number twice, you get a 0 for the assignment. You're going to go to one computer, log in, give me a snipping tool of the computer that you're logged in, which you logged in. Yes, I would be able to tell what you're, if you're who's logged in on what computer, and you're going to save it on your OneDrive, and then you're going to upload both of those pictures at the same time from the second computer because you logged in into your OneDrive when you logged into the second computer, and you're going to turn in your assignment.